friends, welcome back. So some of you asked me how I clean up and keep the trim and the molding of the house clean and maintained. So for cleaning, as far as it's concerned, my everyday things are very simple, and the routine is that usually whenever I'm cleaning the floor, I use the hand brush, something like this, very handy. I'll show it to you guys that what I do is I just clean it and dust it like this. Everything, just the dust particles, they come out. One way is doing it like this. The other way is just the paper towel roll, wet it and then wipe it, and then with the dry one you can just clean it and wipe the water particles out. I like the magic erasers too. The magic erasers, I just wash it a little bit, make it wet, and then wipe the baseboards and the trims with this, and then clean it with the dry paper towel piece. Another addition to the cleaning tools is the baseboard buddy, which we ordered from Amazon. I'm very happy with this product. So this thing, I'm just opening it with you guys. This is really good. With the blue one, you just have to put it in just like this. Then there are other two attachments, and the handle adjusts up to 4 feet. So I think it's easier that it can go higher up. So friends, as per instructions, I assembled this with the cleaning pad, the lower handle, and then middle handle pieces, these two, and then the top handle. It's simply a fast and easy way to clean the baseboards, trims, moldings. It has 3 pads included. One is already attached to it, and we got 2 extra cleaning pads. To clean the cleaning pads, it's easier. You can just wash them with water and then let them dry. It has a 360 degrees action. It can just go all around and let you clean from any angle. Collapsible handle breaks down for easy storage, and you can use it wet or dry to clean stubborn dirt. And similarly, it has due to the adjustable handle, you can reach down low or reach up high. It's easier. 360 degrees rotating head helps to clean from any angle. So let's give it a try. We need to reach high. It has this action. Have a look. To clean all of this like this and like this. Similarly. And then the head, it rotates around. You can adjust the head and then it can come down like this. And even for hair, have a look here. Let's have a look here. You can rotate it. It has these curves which can be compatible with most of the trims if you have that basic trim or the curvy ones. So it's great for this. Have a look here. I'm going to adjust it. Also for these kind of doors, it's very safe and easy to use. And similarly, one other action, have a look. It has trapped the dust. It's easier just by walking. You can clean it, dust it, And also like this. You can also use it over here. These curves, they fit in nicely over here on the trim, just like this, or on top of it like this, to collect the dust. So this means that this really works. So dear friends, after discussing the cleaning, the maintenance of the white trim or the molding is how to keep them refreshed by painting them. Our favorite one is this one. The name is Regal. It's a Regal Classic by Benjamin Moore. It's 100% acrylic paint with a flat finish, and this is the number pastel base N2151B, and this is what our painter likes to use on our trim and molding. And along with that, during this quarantine, we learned that we should have some of the stuff similarly if we want to refresh the trims by ourselves. So we have all this stuff ready. If you see the need of caulking or sealing, this is the one which we like to use for caulking. It's a waterproof and easy cleanup, crack proof adhesive sealant. Then to take off all the dust, we have this microfiber by Spick and Span, some gloves, tape, and actually you will need a painter's blue tape. I think we are out of it, and a paint brush, whichever suits you. We try to use which I've seen my painter using. It's a 2-inch by Purdey, and he uses an angulated angled brush for painting the trim. We are out of that too. I have to get those two stuff for refreshing the trim of our bathroom, which is, I think, just losing the paint and the finish of it with constant cleaning. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, as we have discussed the routine cleaning of the trim, baseboard, molding, and we also introduced the other cleaning tool, which is Baseboard Buddy. I really liked it, and we'll be using it quite often. It's easier. Simply just create a cleaning regimen or routine for yourself according to your schedule. The best way is to divide the cleaning projects, like cleaning the garage on one day of the week, and stick to it. It will help you keep your house, kitchen, garages, everything clean. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. I'll be doing more cleaning routine videos on how to make your life easier with these extra tools, cleaning products which I come across and they are helpful. I like to share it with you guys. So till next time, take good care of yourself, keep your house and around the house clean, and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much. Kindly don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.